All right, guys, we're going to do a toolbox tour today. This is my Husky 60-inch toolbox. I want to say it measures about 18.5 inches deep. We're going to get right on into it. Right up top here, we got some hand cleaner. Got my Ryobi clamp fan, Cobalt fan. That thing goes with me everywhere, especially in Florida. The rest of the top is sticker bombed. Got Alexa over there for some tunes. And going right up top here, we got screwdrivers. Most of them are going to be Husky. Got some Craftsman in there. Those Craftsman ones were a mistake. They break freaking all the time. Some Husky picks. And then some mini screwdriver set. Snap-on Torque screwdriver set. Seal puller. Little seal driver that I use. Bottle opener. Some really long Chinese screwdrivers, random Allen keys, stud finder for finding studs around the house, a little pilot bit, or step bit, sorry. In the second drawer, mini Cobalt plier set, some little picks, snap ring pliers, OEM tools, a little spoon set. Different assortment, comes in handy for doing oil changes on the F-150. Some random sandpaper in there. Different head for the seal puller. Cobalt locking pliers, and then some regular Cobalt pliers in here. Some electrical pliers, some other pliers. Got for pulling little plastic clips off the four-wheelers. Some Mac tools. Locking pliers and some oil filter pliers over here, and some of my really long pliers down in here with a random pick. Then come over here to this drawer. We got some electrical tape, some Diablo blades for the Sawzall, some Mac tool Allens, my scan tool that I picked up from Summit Racing many years ago, tire plug kit back here, little Felpro kit for resealing the oil filter adapter on the ZJ. Some razor blades back there. And then down in here, I got some random hardware. The Jeep hardtop removal tool. Some more electrical tape. The mother's clay bar thing, speed clay bar. Some cleaning stuff for the impact. Keys to Jeeps I've owned. Little fuse kit, some valves, some extra valve stems. And over here on the side, some Harbor Freight lights, some magnetic trays, some Craftsman ones, some Pittsburgh ones. Getting on into the main drawer here. Over here we got some standards, 1/2 inch, shallow and deep, 3/8, shallow and deep. These are going to be Pittsburgh, and here we have Husky, and down here we have some Pittsburgh again, and these 1/4 inches are going to be Tecton, little gear wrench mini set, and the gear wrench oil filter sockets in 3/8 size, and then over here we have the Icon hex in 3/8, and then the Icon Torques. Down here we have the Pittsburgh Torques, 1/2 inch and 3/8. Craftsman Evolve set, right before they went out of business, from Sears. And then over here, some 3/8 deep from Icon. And then we're gonna have some 12-point metric, and 12-point standard, and then 12-point metric 1/2 inch. Then moving on down here, we have some swivels from Icon Tools. Those are awesome, they come in handy. A couple oversized sockets in here. Sunex Tools, crow's feet. This is gonna be Husky, 3/8 impact. Down here I have some hex, some little swivel joints, some other odds and ends. Then here we have some Tecton 1/4 inch. Up here we're gonna have Icon 3/8. Then this is gonna be, what is this? Icon 1/2 inch with a random cobalt. Then up here in the 1/2 inch impact, we're gonna have Harbor Freight back here. And this is gonna be cobalt. That's it for the top drawer, socket drawer. And then the next one, ratchets and extensions. Icon 1/2 inch swivel, Pittsburgh 1/2 inch, Husky 1/2 inch, Icon 3/8, Pittsburgh 3/8, swivel, Husky 3/8, two Pittsburgh 3/8, Pittsburgh 1/4 inch, Tecton 1/4 inch, Husky 1/4 inch, extendable ratchet 3/8 head, 1/4 inch head, Icon extensions, cobalt 1/2 inch, ratcheting breaker bar, cobalt 3/8, cobalt 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch. Those are awesome. I got them on clearance. A old USA made tools, USA Craftsman. Got a old snap-on 3/8. I want to say that one was the date on that, because all snap-ons have a date code. I want to say that one is like 1952. Impact extensions, oddball extensions back here, and the Pittsburgh pass-through set. Moving on, we're gonna have wrenches. Right in here we have the Icon. Goes from 8 to 19, no skips. And I have the expansion set, which makes it go to 24. Sunex stubbies, non-ratcheting. The gear wrench extra long, with the non-ratcheting on one side, ratcheting on another. Flare nut wrenches, some S wrenches, ratcheting wrenches from Husky. And after that, got some pry bars, lady slipper pry bar, torque wrenches, ratcheting stubby gear wrench, and then these are some super thin wrenches from Duratec. Punches. And after that, we got drill bits, charger, a variety of hammers, dead blows, mallets, sledge, mini sledge, big old adjustable for doing suspension, heat gun, cutoff wheel, tire iron, a little for doing oil, diff oil, have some big old C-clamp and a smaller C-clamp down in there. And after that, in the bottom drawer, got a different assortment. We got roll pins, heat shrink, some miscellaneous hardware, anything you might need in a pinch. Don't always recommend it. Some random hardware down here, chargers, some DeWalt chargers for my work tools, 3-jaw pullers, random batteries for my lawnmower, some spacers that came with my upper control for the F-150, O-ring gaskets, some impact sockets down there, hub sockets, tap and die, ball joint kit. And then over here, random assortment of paints, dielectric grease, carb cleaner, Armor All. Back I got a power steering pump for the Grand Cherokee, some U-joints, for the axle shaft, axle. Then down the bottom, got some grease, diff fluid, some stuff for doing stuff around the house, and some, everybody's favorite, anti-seize. Not a disease, it's anti-seize. And then right over here, we got a charge station, or impact station, bush light flag, collection of bush light over the years, a couple batteries, hole saw, cobalt multi-tool, and then my little cobalt ratchet, electric ratchet, 3/8 impact, Mac Daddy 1/2 inch, Ryobi tire inflator, Ryobi drill, Ryobi hot glue gun. And we got my Husky workbench here. Gotta do a transmission oil pan seal, transmission pan seal in the ZJ. Do some new spark plugs. Older set of Pittsburgh Allens